Guys, what is up? It is Doughboy1911 here. Or, not Doughboy1911, sorry. Tomato Soft here. Changed the name. And here today we have the Colt 1911 A1 100th anniversary soft air CO2 pistol. This is completely different from one of my normal videos. And I got some decorations here. Got a little, salt codfish U.S. ration box, and a 30 cal 1917 ammunition box. One second, I'll be right back, and I just gotta go do this. Okay, some items in here. We are going to be shooting and talking about this pistol. So, you can open the box. It's a nice box. It's got the pistol on it. We put the warning label because I already opened this. Try it a little bit. This is not exactly what you'll get in the box. This is, of course, I took the bag out of that with the BBs, and I have the Allen key out of the bag too. So you will need this Allen key. One more. I already put the CO2 in the magazine, so if you know how to insert a CO2, this shouldn't be too hard for you. I just did it. And, yeah. So, got let's see, I think you should only load 17, but I only loaded 16 in the mag. So it's a 17 or 16 round mag. And let's go to the pistol. Okay. Here's the pistol. This is slide locked open. Had to pull it back because there's no mag in it. I didn't want to put that one in. So yeah. It's got the official focus Colt trademarks. So it took about 16 years to get this pistol finalized as the 1911. This is, of course, the 1924 model A1. So let's go shoot it. But I need to go with the manual first, but I have left it, so who cares about that? No one needs to see the manual. I already know how to operate this, and I have already shot CO2 pistols, so I'm good. And, yeah. The manual just shows how to operate, load, and put the CO2 in the gun and shoot it, and the safety. Orange tip. No thread adapter, so that kind of sucks, so you can't put suppressor. But why would you really need a suppressor on a World War II pistol? Maybe if you want to do like an OSS or an SAS or loadout with a suppressed 1911, you can do that. So, set the camera down for a little bit, set you guys down, and we're going to go shoot the pistol. So, you have your pistol, and go shoot it. Gonna go back door. Be back door. Okay. So now, I'm gonna shoot it. I have no target set up, because I was kind of unprepared to do this. I only got the pistol a day ago. So, yeah, let's go shoot it. Probably can't hear me very well because it's like really windy, but what we'll do is we will shoot this. Alright. So the slide lock's open when you're out of ammo. I'm not out of CO2. That's the shooting of the pistol. And that is the end for today's video of the Colt 1911 A1 100th anniversary airsoft CO2 pistol. Signing out, this is Tomato Soft. See you guys later.